Welcome back, everybody. You know, in the past, I've had to think, will this be good for the griddle and will this come across great in a video? But most of the time, we're just cooking and having our breakfast, lunch, and dinner here at the house. I don't think about filming the videos, but I want to start doing that more and more. The range top combo, the Blackstone range top combo is the perfect avenue for doing that. A 3-burner 28-inch griddle with hood, storage underneath, 2 side burners with a cover, a removable deep fat fryer or pasta cooker, 13-gallon trash bag hanger, and a paper towel roll holder. Everything I need to make pasta al pomodoro. Yeah, I'm not Italian. That's the best I can give you. Let's give it a try. The griddle burner's on low, and I have this big old Lodge seasoned steel skillet. It's like a Spanish paella pan. A little bit of olive oil and some chopped fresh garlic. Let that garlic start to cook in the olive oil, but we don't want it to burn, so just maybe 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds or so, before we add our finely chopped tomato, our tomato sauce. Oh yeah. Gonna immediately turn one of these other burners down to low. I think I had, let's see, what do I have now? Yeah, we're all 3 on low, I had 1 on high. So my dad is Italian. I grew up exposed to lots of great Italian cooking, and we always like to make our own pasta sauce when possible. And there's nothing like a simple plate of pasta. El pomodoro. Pomodoro, I guess, I don't speak Italian, like I told you, I guess is the Italian word for tomato. First things first, I have a fresh basil plant here, so I'm going to pick off some of the leaves. I like a lot of seasoning, so, you know, I've got 5 or 6 of them here. Oh, 7. And I notice we're already simmering here, so I'm going to turn yet another burner off. Now I only have 1 on low. I'm going to take the basil leaves, and you know, the professional Italian chefs don't do this, but I'm different. I'm not a professional Italian chef, so I'm going to actually rip my leaves up and put them down in the sauce. There we go. That actually sounds kind of cool. I made a mistake and spilled some on the griddle, so we get the basil in there. Followed by some salt. We'll just salt this to taste. I'm a big black pepper guy. You've heard me say that before. My dad loved black pepper, so I use lots of black pepper. A little bit of dried oregano. Again, traditionally, I think in the El Pomodoro sauce, you would just put basil, maybe some garlic and salt, but I like oregano. And I like to also add some crushed red pepper. And this is where I'm probably really non-traditional here. I like to put a little bit of balsamic vinegar in there. Yes, let's see, can we get that to go out? There we go, a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And a kiss of the olive oil that we used at the beginning. These really come in handy when you want to grab a cast iron or a seasoned steel skillet. Now we're just going to mix that up, and we're going to let this simmer for a while. It's a beautiful looking pasta sauce right there. Now we can shift my attention over here to the side burner, have some water boiling there. And I'm going to put my little basket inside there. See, that's not just for deep fat frying. Have some Barilla spaghetti right here. So, Barilla spaghetti. And a little more in there. There we go. Almost forgot, I like to put a pinch of salt in my pasta. I guess the secret there is that the salt would enhance the flavor of the pasta. And I'm old school, so I still put some olive oil in my pasta, even though a lot of cooks say you don't have to, but I've heard it helps to make the pasta a little more slippery. Make sure you mind your sauce. You don't want that to burn, so turn a burner down, move the skillet, the paella pan around as needed. Secret is definitely good quality crushed tomato, good quality tomato sauce. You want to get something imported from Italy, or at least something good from California. The pasta's starting to cook, my sauce is looking beautiful, and I picked up some focaccia bread at the grocery store the other day. Really nice to have this to dip into your sauce. One is a tomato and Parmesan right there. I'm gonna put that down on the griddle top. Let it warm up. And the other is jalapeno cheddar. I'm all about the jalapeno bread right there. Of course, when you're cooking Italian, any excuse possible to bring out the olive oil. So I'll even brush a little bit of olive oil on top of that focaccia bread. There we go, a little more over there. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful sight. The pasta is boiling away. It's looking good. We want to go al dente, which means firm or slightly firm. All right, so al dente, it shouldn't be mushy. When you bite into it, you should feel a little bit of a crunch. Texture, but soft. We're gonna pull the pasta. And the handy little basket that comes with this attachment has a little hook, and you can just hang that right there, allowing your pasta water to drain, and we can go ahead and turn our side burner off. I'm gonna also go in here and get a taste test of my pasta sauce to see where we're at. Wow, actually that's almost perfect. Sometimes you might have to add a little bit of salt or a little more of something else to it, but that's actually perfect right now. It's just the way I want it. You know, and a lot of Italian cooks will actually take out the big pieces of garlic and the pieces of basil. Pfft, no way can do. No can do, I guess. I can't even speak regular talk today. No can do. I leave that stuff in there, man. The more garlic, the more basil, the better. Let me pull that pasta off over here. Grab my tongs over here. There we go. And straight into the sauce. I've got like 2 pounds of pasta here, so this is gonna take a lot of sauce right there, right into my little pan. This is nice, by the way. Again, it's a Lodge seasoned steel skillet, a Lodge paella. I can't even say it right now. I said it earlier, paella pan. Now we can go ahead and mix this right in there with that sauce. Look at that. Our dog is barking up front, so you can probably hear her. That's Piper. That's a lot of sauce. That's a lot of sauce. And a lot of pasta right there. Look at that, friends. That's what you want right there. That's the way I like to serve this up. Come over here. Oh, yeah, baby. And then I also grab some, I like Romano, I like Asiago, and we like Parmesan. We like it all, but this is Romano cheese today. You know, when you go to an Italian restaurant and the server says, hey, I'll grate you some cheese, just tell me when to stop. I always say, well, can you go for 5 minutes? I'm a big cheese guy. Take a look at that. So even though I grew up with an Italian dad, don't judge my my dialect here, my accent. Oh yeah, a little bit of that right there on the side. Let's find my tongs. Tongs over here. Oh my goodness. This is a simple lunch here. It's light, but yet it's filling. Spaghetti al Pomodoro. So, tomatoes and all the other good stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit of extra cheese on top of mine right here, just because I can do whatever I want to do. All right. I'm a big spoon twirler, so here we go. That's the way I do it right there. Twirl it up. And it's a big mouthful. You can't be a sissy when you're eating pasta. Let's give it a try. Dip some of that jalapeno, focaccia bread in there and that sauce. You see that right there? And that's how easy it is to make a simple and very authentic pasta sauce. A spaghetti al pomodoro with your Blackstone range top combo. Friends, I got to get into the house. Always feeding the family cold food an hour after my videos, but we're going in right now and we're jumping on this stuff. So until next time, everybody. Oh, and by the way, range top combo, Walmart exclusive, Walmart, walmart.com. This is Todd from Blackstone saying praise the Lord and pass the spaghetti alla pomodoro. You know when you go to an Italian restaurant and the server